Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Let's get started. So first I'm going to use this kit that I bought at the 99-cent store for $1. Yes, $1 for all of this. And I'm just going to take the white face powder that it came with first, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face just to give my skin a doll-like flush. So I'm just going to blend that all over my face. And I don't have anything on my face because I didn't know how the powder was going to react if I put on a moisturizer or a primer. So yeah, so now I'm just going to use the eyeshadow primer that I used in my previous video, and I'm just going to apply that on half of my eyelid, and later in the video you'll see why. So now I'm just going to apply the white powder on a Morphe brush, and I am just going to put that over the eyeshadow primer. And then I'm just going to take the included black pencil, and then I'm just going to start drawing the eyeball. Yes, you guessed it. We are going to be creating an eyeball for this look. Yes, indeedy. So now I decided throughout that this pencil really wasn't going to work, so then I ended up using a S&M dual eyeshadow or eyeliner pencil, excuse me, one that had a white end and a black ended pencil, which I also got from the 99-cent store. And now I'm just going into my Neon Brights palette that I got at Five Below, and I'm going into this beautiful sky blue shade, and I am just going to just dab that right on. And I did spray my brush at the beginning with the Morphe Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Starberry setting spray, but I figured, hey, it doesn't really matter if you wet your brush or not. So then I just ended up using my finger to apply the rest. So you can make this any color you want to. I just figured, well, it would match better since I have blue eyes. So after that, I just added more blue until I was happy with the shade. And then I just decided to, like I said before, use the S&M eyeliner pencil just to shape it a little bit better and make it more noticeable. And then I'm trying to draw in the pupil, and so I just decided to dip the pencil in the included oily, kind of greasy eyeshadow, and that just made it so much more pigmented. So there we go, the eyeball is done, and now we're just going to use the 4-piece eyelashes, but I'm just going to use 2 of the eyelashes, and this is going to be a natural look. I didn't want to go too crazy with the eyelashes because then I figured, well, then you won't be able to see the wonky eye. So then I just decided to use the included face stickers to look like you have a broken doll face. So then I just, of course, dropped it off my cheek because this powder was making the sticker a little hard to stick on my face. So then I just kept pressing it really hard. You can also use eyelash glue. So then finally I got them all to stick, and then I'm just going to apply the eyelash in the middle of my eyelid and just make it look like a real fake doll eye. And I'm just using a clear eyelash glue for this. I usually like to use my black liner eyelash glue, but I wanted to use the clear one on this tutorial just in case I made a mistake, and the black eyelash glue is a lot harder to get off. So eventually I was happy with the result, and yes, I ended up freaking out some people because they thought it was really, really freaky looking. So then I just used the pinkish red eyeshadow that it also came with, and this is like a greasy paint, and then I just applied that on my lips just to give my lips a nice flush. And then I just wanted to see what it would look like if I added an extra eyelash that I already had, and I didn't really like it because then I had to keep pushing it up so you could see the eyeball that I drew on, and so I ended up just peeling that off and just went back to what I originally made up. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button down below and subscribe too. I just decided when I went to the 99-cent store to get this kit and really like the outcome. So thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!